If you've ever been working in LibreOffice Impress and found yourself stuck with a grouped object that you can't edit piece by piece, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to ungroup objects in LibreOffice Impress quickly and easily, so you can edit each part individually without any hassle. This is a simple but very useful skill for making your slides more flexible, more polished, and much easier to customize. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more LibreOffice and software tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're starting fresh, look on the left side under Create and click Impress Presentation. If you already have a presentation file saved, you can open that existing presentation instead. Either way, you want to get into the Impress editor where your slides are stored. Once your presentation is open, navigate to the slide that contains the grouped object you want to change. A grouped object is usually made up of multiple shapes, images, or elements that have been combined together. When objects are grouped, they move as one unit, which is useful for organizing a slide, but it can also make editing more difficult if you want to adjust only one part of it. Now click once on the grouped object to select it. You should see that the whole group is highlighted together. This tells you that Impress recognizes it as one combined object. If you click on one part and everything is selected at once, that's a strong sign it's grouped. Next, right-click on the selected grouped object. This will open the context menu with a list of actions you can apply to that object. In that menu, look for Group, then move over to Ungroup. Click Ungroup to separate the objects. As soon as you do that, the grouped items will split apart and become individual objects again. That means you can now click, move, resize, or edit each piece separately instead of changing the whole group at once. This is especially helpful if you only need to adjust one shape, text box, or image inside a larger design. If you don't see the option right away, make sure the object is actually grouped and not a single image or another type of element. Also, be careful not to accidentally click away before choosing Ungroup, because then you may need to reselect the object again. The process is very straightforward once you know where to look. And that's it. You've successfully ungrouped objects in LibreOffice Impress. Now, you have full control over each part of the design, which makes editing much easier and faster. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.